Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. It has been loud and clear from students, cancel exam or else vaccinate us. Now this is a trending news in the education sector. The students demanded cancellation of CBSE exam 2021. Second in our discussion is the West Bengal government has made it clear that reopening of campuses is possible only when teachers and students get vaccinated. Now let's discuss the two major events. Now weeks after Union Education Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal informed that the CBSE board exam 2021 will be conducted from 4th of May to June of 10th, many students have started a petition on change.org in a bid to cancel the class 10 and class 12 crucial examination for the academic year. The students, while expressing concern over the conduct of the CBSE board exam, claim that online classes have not been as helpful as classroom teaching. The petition also asserted that several students failed to attend the online classes due to their financial problems, lack of resources and poor internet. The online petition also suggested an alternative method for evaluating the marks for the academic year. It asks to the board to examine the students on the basis of their internal examination conducted by the schools. However, the Union Education Minister, the Honorable Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, while interacting with the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya, many students raised their concern on giving exams this year due to the ongoing pandemic. While some refused to come to schools for examination, others demanded that they be vaccinated first. It has been loud and clear from the student side that cancel or vaccinate us and then you plan to take examination in a physical mode. Day by day, things are becoming uncomfortable from the point of view of the students and teachers. And the board and the government must understand that you cannot risk the life of the students. Arrange for necessary vaccination of students and teachers at the earliest before planning any physical mode of examination and reopening of schools and university campuses. However, the West Bengal government has made it clear that the reopening of campuses is possible only when teachers and students get vaccinated. So it is evident that even though the practical classes has started, keeping in mind the standard operating procedures, normal physical classes or reopening of campuses or physical examination process in Bengal will not happen until and unless we all feel safe and get a vaccine at the earliest. The facts are many students have been infected with the virus after schools in India as well as in abroad have reopened. Prime example is in Karnataka. After school reopened, many children and teachers were infected with the virus. The West Bengal Education Minister, Mr. Partha Chatterjee, on Sunday said schools in the state will reopen only when students and teachers are not at any risk contracting the virus. I quote what he said: "There has been instances of people getting infected after resumption of classes in another state where schools had to shut again. We don't want to have the same experience in Bengal. We will take the decision of reopening of schools and campuses at appropriate time." So it is clear that the online classes will continue for this semester for all college and university students, and we need to wait till the time when teachers and students get vaccinated, and then only we can come back to campus for classes. Moreover, Bengal students going back to campuses in Pune, Pondicherry, Manipal and other places, it seems like a Herculean task amid pandemic. One has to keep the virus negative report handy, done within the time period stipulated by the respective state to which the student is headed. If you land up without the report, you are tested at airport, and till report comes, you are prescribed quarantine. Concerned about the safety of their children, most parents are not only traveling with them but are also taking a 15 to 20 day break to stay and settle them in. Hostels are being booked after much screening for safety protocols for the duration, and the parents are insistent that their children stay with them till they are satisfied with the sanitation and other precautionary measures on respective campuses. Some are even renting flats to keep their kids away from the crowded hostel. So it is clear that reopening of campuses is not an easy job as of now. Government must understand that reopening is possible only after you make sure that the participants like teachers and students are safe. I felt like to share with you the two major updates happened. Moreover, any educational update or news, I will try to update genuine and relevant information from this channel. So you can always be associated with this channel and get updated content whenever video content is uploaded. Till then, thanks for watching. Be safe. Take care.